Mommy.
Taking a video.
Oh.
Alright, you switched it.
Oh,
I guess I could have did the picture though. I forget about that. Whoa. Why that face? That's a funny face. Your hair. Oh, see?
Does that feel good?
You see this giraffe?
What?
This is a giraffe. That's cool, right?
What?
It's a giraffe.
Not a bug, a giraffe.
It's a giraffe. Yeah.
I love you.
What's your shirt say?
It's beautiful.
I thought I said B-U and then something else. You get what I'm saying?
Beautiful.
You get what I'm saying though, like B-U and then.
Yeah, I can listen to it.
You want to see the giraffe?
Good. Giraffe.
Yeah. Alright. We gotta go outside now. Jump. Oh, yeah.
You ready?
1,
2, 3.
jump.
1. You gotta bend your knees. 1, 2.
Bend down.
Did it. Remember? Like this. Bend down.
Do it. You don't want to? Alright.
Okay.
Come on, we got it good.
You could take a nap in the car.